Hey, how's it going? My name is Mike MOCERI. I'm the founder and CEO of MakerOS. We are the foundational business infrastructure for modern day fabricators and engineers. Follow me and I'll show you what we're all about. To start things off, let me tell you a little bit about us. So over the last 11 years, I've been starting companies and building products mainly within the additive space. Where in 2013, I co-founded one of the world's first additive retail spaces out of Chicago, and then later founded another one more focused on aerospace, medical, and automotive out of Detroit. And we have over 15 years of management and software development experience with our CTO, Joe, and over 10 years of marketing and growth experience with Carlos at other venture-funded and exited companies. Let me paint a picture for you. Our mission at MakerOS is to support the next generation of makers, engineers, manufacturers, designers, and fabricators by providing them the foundational business infrastructure for modern product development. We believe that every maker should have access to the software tools to facilitate their design, prototype, and production process. We combine those tools in the MakerOS platform so it's easier for makers to build and operate a successful business. We believe that access to these tools should not be cost prohibitive or complex. So here's how MakerOS can help these businesses. We allow them to make more and spend less on their business, where they can increase 20% of their margins by reducing the software bloat by taking out those 6 different applications that it typically takes to run their business down to 1, with an annual savings of $50,000 or more. We also allow them to collaborate better with their team internally, along with their clients in the client portal, to reduce project timelines by under a week with 0 data silos so that you have a clear paper trail of everything that's going on in your business, while also increasing the value of your service with the customer experience with a nice online portal for both your team and clients to use. We also allow our businesses to connect with other suppliers within the MakerOS platform so they can build supplier relationships that last over the years while reducing churn on their clients so that anytime the client needs something that they can't offer in-house, they can overflow that work to another supplier. Let's take a look at all the different aspects that are included with the MakerOS platform. We have a CRM directly within MakerOS where you can track all of your customers and export them into any other system. We also have a project management system where you can build your own workflows, along with CAD inspection, along with a collaboration portal that allows your clients to log in directly and create projects so that your team can communicate and collaborate with them online. We also have a full online building system directly within projects and an automated quoting system. We are also introducing a project marketplace so that suppliers can bid on different jobs and share their projects peer-to-peer. We are also creating a supplier networking module that allows suppliers to build their own private supply chain directly within the platform, along with storefronts which will allow them to sell machines, supplies, and any other sort of commoditized part into the marketplace. These last 3 concepts are what we call overflow, and this is coming in 2021. Not only is overflow my favorite word in the dictionary right now, but in 2021, once it's live within the MakerOS platform, it will allow for every single participant within the network to have access to the capacity of the entire network, so that you can explore and find other suppliers to work with, and also offer your service within the network to open up an entirely new supply channel for yourself and your business. Starting in January, MakerOS is operating as a freemium model, where we have a premium and a free version of the software that goes directly to the supplier, and the supplier builds their business directly all around MakerOS. And when they have clients that come onto their platform and transact with them, MakerOS makes a small percentage fee on each credit card transaction within the system. Now let's imagine once Overflow is live for a second. When that is live, we will allow for direct supplier-to-supplier interactions and transactions while they're working on the same project. So now imagine all of those transactions throughout the entire life cycle of a product and all the different suppliers that exchange hands in the development and execution of that project. That's where we need to be, and that's exactly what MakerOS is going to dominate. As you can already tell, MakerOS is so different from all the other competitors within the additive space. We're not just additive focused, but we're encompassing everything else in engineering and design. And our clients are the ones that are actually competing directly with all the large manufacturing as a service companies that are out there. We are also complementary to a lot of the other software systems out there, including ERP, CAD, PLM, and other manufacturing execution systems. MakerOS is also compatible with a lot of other OEMs that sell machines or materials. This allows for any of our customers who use MakerOS to integrate any other type of manufacturing technology within their quoting system or any of the materials that these companies may sell. All right, thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon. See ya.